Today we're testing the Rode SmartLav lavalier microphone. We're currently indoors, plugged in, and recording on an iPhone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. We're currently outdoors, about 200 feet from a roadway, plugged in and recording on an iPhone. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. Testing 1 2 3 4 5 5 4 3 2 1. This lavalier microphone features a TRRS connector, which allows you to connect directly to your iPhone. Just plug it in, open an audio recording app, and get professional, interview quality audio. The system provides a broadcast quality omnidirectional microphone with clip to allow professional recording in an extremely compact package. We have included Amazon links to all of the items discussed here in the description below. If this video is helpful, please use our links, as it helps support us so we can continue to bring you more reviews. For more information and future content, subscribe to our YouTube channel using the link in the top left of this video, or check out our website at inovotech.net.